Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do quadratic equations exercise 5.3 in the first question, fourth problem. See, we did many problems which are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 in the method of completing the square. But it is not like that. So even though we need to find for this equation roots of a quadratic equation by using the method of completing the square. At that time, here both x square term and x term should be same side of the equation. So here we need to send plus 5 after is equal to minus 6x before is equal to. At that time we will get x square plus 6x is equal to minus 5. If we have any coefficient other than 1 of the x square, we need to divide both sides with that. Already we did in previous problems. But here there is no coefficient for the x square. At that time we need to split this one in the form of 2ab. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, isn't it? If we are unable to split this one, we need to write as 2 by 2. We need to multiply and divide with 2. So here we can write 6x as 2 into 3 into x. Now we will get x square plus 2 into 3 into x is equal to minus 5. See, if you observe this one, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab. When we add plus b square for these two terms, then this entire expression will be in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Am I correct or not? So here we need to get left hand side should be perfect square. If you want to make perfect square, we need to add both sides of this equation 3 square. Now add 3 square on both sides. So here we will get x square plus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 square is equal to minus 5 plus 3 whole square. You may have the doubt, why we need to add 3 square on both sides? When we add 3 square on both sides, only left hand side we will get perfect square. Otherwise we won't get perfect square. So that only we need to add 3 square on both sides. Again you may have the doubt, why we need to add both sides? Okay, if it is enough to add left hand side only, but to be equation should be here equation should be balanced, so that only we need to add both sides 3 square. Now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. See here, a is nothing but x, b is nothing but 3. Now this entire expression will be in the form of x plus 3 whole square is equal to minus 5 plus 3 square means 9. Now x plus 3 whole square is equal to 4 we will get. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. At that time, x plus 3 whole square will be square root of x plus 3 whole square is equal to square root of plus or minus square root of 4. Now x plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 2. See here, after that this can be written as x plus 3 is equal to 2 or x plus 3 is equal to minus 2. Now x is equal to 2 minus 3 or x is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Now x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 5. Therefore, roots of given quadratic equation are minus 1 and minus 5. Check once.